Hello, my name is Pilanindovo. I'll be creating this short tutorial to show you how to connect your Linux server using Putty and how to generate your access key using Putty chain. Therefore, go for EC2 on the search box. Here I have my virtual servers. Here's the dashboard for EC2 instances and all the features that works with it or around it. Here you've got all the numbers, basically showing you how many elastic IPs you have, how many key pairs, placement groups, etc. So therefore, to create an instance, I'll be launching one using this orange button. Click create. Here we've got all flavors of machines to choose from. You've got Microsoft, you've got Ubuntu, you've got your Linux servers, Amazon Linux servers, you've got your Red Hat. So for this short tutorial, I'll be using the free tier. Click select. This is where you can choose your type of instances. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting the default one, which is a free tier as well, and click continue. Here I've got another option if I wanted to create 100 servers and create them into an auto-scaling group, but I won't be doing that. It's your choice on how many instances you'd like. If you want the spot instances, you've got huge prices to pay, but hey, at the end of the day it's worth it. Here you've got your subnetworks. You can choose to enable or disable. I'll leave it as it is. You have an option to add an instance to a placement group. At the bottom here, you have a choice of terminate or stop, shutdown behavior. But for this tutorial, I'll use terminate. Of course, I would use that in a live server. And then here you've got another option to protect against termination. Well, this is an extra step when a user attempts to delete the server, or if they don't have access to deleting the server. I'll be using a shared server for this case. At the bottom, I would like to add user data that will create my software to run on the base server. Install HTTP. Let's copy that, paste that in there. This script here is simple. It means you need the bash script, of course, for it to run, and I'll update the existing software, whatever is in the system, and then I will install. The Y is for yes to continue. Similar applies, same thing applies there as well. So you can start the HTTP service and enable it. There I am. I'll be able to access the hello world page. Here we have the storage. So far, our storage is not in the same physical server with our instances, and this one is a default one. It gives us 8 gigs. Delete on termination, or you can choose to keep the files when you delete your instance, or you can add more EBs and put the size you want, terminate on deletion, and encrypt it. There you are, but we don't need this for this tutorial. Continue the tags. Tags are the best way to name your resources. Therefore, anybody who logs in to the server, they know which resources they're interacting with. For the security groups, I'll just leave the basics because I just want to access it using SSH. This is our warehouse server security group to provide access to SSH. Sorry, SSH. We'll leave it like that. There you go. We launch our server. Here, we don't have a key. Therefore, we might have to create a new key. This is island. I'll just call it that. Island key pair. And I'll download it and I'll launch my instance. There's my PIM file downloaded to downloads. Here we'll search for Putty and load the license I just downloaded. It will be on my downloads. Change the files to all. Here's my PIM file. Open it and save private key. Now I'm going to rename it island.ppk. Save it in the same area. Done with that, then I will need to log into Putty. Let's see if I can get my IP address to log into my server. Copy it. There's the host name there. Go to SSH. Go to author. Authentication. Then upload the key on my desktop. The 12 files. Downloads. Here's my ppk file. Open it. Save. There is my login. EC2 user. Voila. And I can access I am on the road. This is the end of the video. I hope it helps those who like to log in to their Linux server using Putty. Thank you for watching, and also I do apologize for the sound is not clear, and this is my first video. Voila.